The Economic Freedom Fighters leader, Julius Malema, insists the party remains unshaken despite a challenging 2024 marked by a disappointing election performance and the departure of key figures to former President Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto weSizwe party. The 2024 elections dealt a blow to the EFF as it was overtaken by Umkhonto weSizwe party led by the former President Jacob Zuma, which claimed the position of South Africa's third largest political party. The aftermath saw high-profile defections, including EFF Deputy President Floyd Shivambu, prominent advocate Dali Mpofu, and former Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane, all of whom expressed a preference for the MK party's vision. Despite the setbacks, Malema remains resolute, asserting that the departures of Shivambu, Mpofu, and others have left no void in the EFF. In an interview on Power to the Truth with J.J. Tabane, Malema dismissed the significance of their exits, emphasizing the collective strength of the party over individual contributions. He said they have no influence. This animal is bigger than individuals. What impact will Dali Mpofu have? None. The EFF's strength lies in its collective ideas, not in the actions of a few. When asked about Shivambu and Mpofu's contributions during their decade-long tenure, Malema was unrelenting and said the heading of their chapter in the EFF's history will be two betrayers. Whatever they did in 11 years cannot be attributed to any individual. The EFF belongs to us as a collective. Malema also addressed his fractured relationship with Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, a former EFF Member of Parliament who recently resigned from Parliament. Malema admitted to being blindsided by Ndlozi's resignation and absence from key party events like the National People's Assembly and said, "I'm not responsible for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. I am not his father." Malema said so, confirming their personal relationship had ended long before his resignation and said it ended a while back. Adding to the turmoil, Malema issued a warning to those rallying behind Jacob Zuma. The fallout between the EFF leader and the former president has become increasingly evident, fueled by defections of senior EFF members to the Umkhonto weSizwe party, and said Zuma only cares about himself and his family. All those who supported him during tough times are no longer with him, except his daughter Duduzile Sampudla Zuma. Despite internal challenges and external competition, Malema insists that the EFF remains strong as it enters 2025. However, the party faces mounting pressure to rebuild its leadership and reaffirm its position in South Africa's political landscape. Whether it can recover from the blows of 2024 remains to be seen. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.